Well, everybody, this is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience tonight. For tonight's video, I really decided to do a video on a Panasonic Jet Flow upright vacuum cleaner. Was from the 1980s. This is a 1985's Panasonic. It literally came out by 1985, or could it be 87, I believe. But first of all, I'm gonna give you a run, okay? Well, everybody, yeah, I think this machine really has, I got a lot of stories about it. You can use it in times. It's not really bulky heavier like the late 90s had. And I remembered during those times in the 90s, and if you ever grew up with this vacuum cleaner, you guys, please let me know. This is a late 80s style. And also, instead of me talking, I'm going to give this vacuum cleaner a run. Well, sorry about that. And this machine's kind of quieter, and I really knew that they're not extremely loud like the other versions do. This 80s model is a really okay vacuum cleaner. Also, it's been kind of quieter. Well, everybody, that's it for the video. Make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see for a brand new video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!